Now we're getting into the division of rationals, which is very similar to the multiplication of rationals. There's only one step that you have to do to change it from a division problem to a multiplication problem, and maybe you guys remember this. I'll just give you a little example first. If I have 1/4 and I divide it by 2, think about what 2 is. 2 is really just 2 over 1. And so that's really the same as 1/4 times 1/2, right? Dividing by 2 is the same as multiplying by 1/2. And then you would just proceed with the multiplication problem as normal. So we're going to take that same idea of flipping things around and apply it to these somewhat more complicated rational expressions. So let's rewrite that top expression, and except I'll just rewrite it as is. I can do this. So I have delta squared plus delta minus 12 over delta squared plus 4 delta plus 3. And now I'm going to flip the fraction on the right. Okay, this thing that's being divided by, I just want that upside down, and it turns into a multiplication problem. So that's delta squared plus 8 delta plus 15 on top, and delta squared plus 3 delta minus 4 on bottom. And if you know where to go from here, great. That's the main idea with division. But let's just carry this through. We're going to factor everything. Top left becomes delta 4 plus 4, delta minus 3. Bottom left becomes delta plus 3, delta plus 1. Top right becomes delta plus 3, delta plus 5. Bottom right becomes delta plus 4 and delta minus 1. And now we can go through here and try to find similar factors to cancel out from top and bottom. Just remember, everything you cancel out from the bottom has to have a matching term on top. Okay? And as long as you're matching, you are fine to do it this way. Delta plus 4 cancels out, and I think that's it. So our final term expression is going to look like this. Delta minus 3 times delta plus 5 divided by delta plus 1 and delta minus 1. And there's your answer. Go ahead and leave it in factored form. You're done.